One ring to rule them all? Well, what about a cable that does it all? Let's look at this product. Welcome back to Get Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Silkland 4-in-1 cable. This is a USB-C cable, a USB-A cable, and a lightning cable, and it configures in all different ways. But as you know, in every episode of Get Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Get Tech Cheap. Today we're looking at this Silkland 4-in-1 charging cable right here. Packaging on it looks very nice. It looks very shelf stable. Let's go ahead and open it up. Inside the back, you're going to see this user manual right here, which just shows you all the different configurations that you can kind of do with this cable. Like I said, it's 4-in-1. It's got a bunch of information on the back, such as your warranty and stuff, so keep in mind, this is good to have. Next up, we got the cable right here, and this thing just looks great. It looks like we got a braided cable on it right here, 240 watts of cable. You just pull up and bend it back. And right there we got USB-C with a lightning attachment on it. On this other side, we've got USB-C with an A attachment on it. So, super cool, very nice. Look at that. Awesome. Well, let's go ahead and try it out. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Silkland 4-in-1 charging cable with 240 watts of fast charging. Upgraded slimmer 4-in-1 charging cable. Are you tired of carrying multiple charging cables? Well, this universal charging cable combines USB-C to USB-C, USB-C to Lightning, USB-A to USB-C, and USB-A to Lightning in one cable, eliminating clutter at home, office, in the car, or on the go. Slimmer and more portable than chubby cables. Perfect for travelers, professionals, and families. It effortlessly charges and syncs your iPhone 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, iPad, MacBook, Google Pixel, tablets, laptops, headphones, power banks, smartwatches, Kindles, and more. Truly a one cable that does it all. 240 watts of fast charging and 480 megabytes of data sync. Experience true speed. The USB-C to C port delivers blazing 240 watts of charging, and it's capable of powering an iPhone 17 to 80% in 30 minutes or a MacBook Pro to 70% in the same amount of time. Just ensure you're using a compatible USB-C adapter with a sufficient power for optimal results. Plus, with the 480 megabytes of data transfer, it lets you sync 1 gigabyte movie in seconds. Do keep in mind the fast charging can only be achieved through the USB-C to C interface. eMark chip and case-friendly design to safe charging is above all. The built-in eMark safety chip intelligently prevents overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. The USB-C's cable nylon braid incorporates fire-resistant materials for an added layer of fire safety. Silkland's also added a 2mm extended on lightning port, so it fits snugly with most phone cases. So no more removing your case just to charge. Your smart driving partner, stay connected on the road. This USB cable can work with your CarPlay and Android Auto, so it ensures stable connectivity for navigation, music, and calls in your vehicle. This all-in-one charging cable features a heavy-duty nylon braid that excels in abrasion, tear, and tangle resistance. So Silkland stands behind their product. You receive not only just a premium 4-in-1 multi-charging cable, but also the assurance of their dedicated post-sale support. So if you have any questions, their team is committed to providing a helpful response and resolution within 18 hours. Gotta say, Silkland, this thing is awesome. It's just gonna make everybody's life so much easier, and it's just super convenient. So I gotta say, guys, great job. As you know, we've worked with Silkland in the past, and their cables have always been fantastic. We've reviewed multiple HDMI cables from Silkland, but this is our first time doing one of their other cables that are like for charging and data transfer and stuff. And I gotta say, this thing right here makes my life so much easier. So we want to give a huge shout out to Silkland for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next review. Bye!